Spider-Man. Yo.
He needs some milk.
Play this song in Ocean. What you doing? I think we're gonna hit the roller coaster tomorrow. We gotta go. Let's go. It is day 2. Oh! But like Kembo, well, this sucks.
Barbecue hot on rice, toasted on rice.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Fun fact, I actually love vegetables. The more you know. What do you think you're a soup, Dobby? Bounce, bounce, bounce. Another fun fact, I've never brought home leftovers. Never. You want the bigger one or the small one?
I'll take the small one.
Alright, you got the rest. Boom. Laguna. Oh man, I love that dude's hair, man. It's so tough. Round 2, matcha milk tea. What y'all know about that?
You're gonna see this on YouTube, guys?
We'll see, we'll see.
The Las Vegas Chronicles.
Y'all see this? Purple yam milk tea. Ooh, that looks amazing. Yes!
Gotta ride this one, bro.
Yo, relax with the roller coaster, man. We ain't doing it.
Look at that. That's not even bad. That looks fun. Ain't even bad. 1, 2, that's it. Maybe the second drop's a bit bad.
That was absolutely delicious. I just wish I got sea cream. But other than that, that was good.
Once you buy the tickets, there's no backing out, guys.
So you're gonna do it, Tabitha?
No, I'm not gonna do it because I ate already, so I
Oh,
don't know.
good excuse, good excuse.
Look at the pool.
Oh my god, look. That's not bad, that's not bad. That ain't bad.
Oh, no. We were screaming the whole first one, and then second one it was light work. Not a word came out of our mouths. We rode on it 2 times. What'd you think?
Light work.
Light work. Oh, is this for us? Thank you. Grape flavored anything is so good.
Wait, hold on for me.
y'all seen this? $60 $60 per person? No ma'am. Look at that. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, bro.